Hey guys, I'm Adrian from Fenix Radiators. So this is my personal car. It's a 1997 Nissan S14 Silvia. We've used all Fenix products on it, from AN fittings, intercooler, oil cooler, radiator, silicone joiners, aluminium pipe. Everything that we stock is in this car. Come and have a look. So this car has been a labour of love for the last 4 years. So a bit of a rundown on this car. It's running a 2.2 litre stroker, Nitto pistons and rods, a Garrett G30 770 turbo, third strike fabrication exhaust manifold, built by P10 Developments Head, which was running Kelford Head, Beehive Springs, Hypertune intake manifold with 1650cc injectors. So it basically just gets rid of fuel. You can literally see the needle moving. And that's all with an ORC twin plate clutch and a Nissan Z33 box. We picked it up as a rolling shell and it just kind of snowballed out of control. It was meant to just be an SR20 DET, and obviously now it's a VE because nobody likes throwing rockers, because that's what SR20s like to do. So here we put engine oil cooler, 15-row oil cooler, which would be plenty to keep an SR20 cool, 100mm thick intercooler. They max out around the 800 to 900 horsepower. On the dyno, on the track, all the IATs have just stayed consistently level. Being a tube and fin, it doesn't heat soak. It dissipates the heat nicely. So we actually do two styles of S14, S15 radiator for these. I've opted for the single pass. We also do a triple pass radiator, which is more for like your high horsepower track cars. But predominantly, because this car is going to be used for road driving, I wanted to test to make sure that our single pass would do the job, and it is. It's flawless. We've had it at chrome on the track, it went amazingly. We've designed all of our factory replacement full alloy radiators to work with the factory viscous fan. So there's no fouling there, which just really pulled together the look that I was going for with this car, which is just an OE plus build.